Hi guys, today I'm gonna be telling you how to get Chad Allen's Twitter bed. So basically, your first step is to go to this link right here. This is where you can enter the promo code. The promo code is basically tweet Roblox, and the reason why it says the sign is because I've already done it and I've already written it. So if you really want Chad Allen's bird, you can just go ahead, type this code into this side, and then you'll get this free pet shoulder. Now I'll go through that. And the reason why you see my avatar is black is because it's broken. Even if I don't use my stance things, it's still broken. And this is how the bird looks like. It looks pretty sick. A little bird told me if you follow Roblox on Twitter, you might receive a special code for this exclusive item. And yeah. So just do the steps. Go to the site, enter tweet Roblox, and it should say code redeemed for you. And yeah, I guess goodbye guys.